Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Gemini placement. So, this is your June love reading. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay? So, yan ang kanyang FB page. So, yeah, don't forget to follow. And sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, si Kuya Dingsi naman po, nung inyo pong i-message. Okay? So, ito rin yung kanyang FB page. Yeah, and don't forget to follow rin. Okay? Thank you. And syempre, sa mga naghahanap o sa mga nagtatanong pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items. So, ito yung isa nating evil eye bracelet. Oh, this is unisex po and this is garterize. Okay? Yung isa naman po natin is yung unang-una. Oo. Yung ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet. Okay? Available in red and black string. So, this is adjustable. Yan. Okay? And, may initial po ito ha. Initial po ng magmamayari. Okay? So, kung inyong ipangregalo, ibibigay, kailangan po yung name. Okay? At address. De joke lang. Name ha. Oo, ng pagbibigyan. Okay? So, yan. Okay. So, ating evil eye necklace. Excuse my nails. Okay. So, evil eye necklace. So, adjustable. No. Hindi siya adjustable. May extenders lang. So, yan. Pwede mo siyang i-adjust. Okay. So, yeah, non-tarnish and hypoallergenic. Ganun rin po ang ating evil eye ring. Okay, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and na-adjust po, no, si evil eye ring natin. Okay, so ganyan siya. So madalas tong orderin ng magkasama talaga dahil yeah, may pagkahawig kasi silang dalawa. So ganyan. Okay, so sa mga ang tawag dyan, interested o pagdating po sa granter necklace, yan, okay, so tingnan po ninyo yung aking mga recent no na video, pinakita ko doon si granter kung yeah, okay, so made to order si granter, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and acrylic po, no, yung pendant natin pagdating kay granter necklace, no. So, kung may iba pang mga tanong, message lang kayo, okay? Sa amin pong FB page na Fias Tarot. Okay? So, yeah, let's start Gemini. Sa iyong love read ngayong June. Okay. So, syempre, ang tanong, who is the person on your mind, Gemini? The person on Gemini's mind, anong meron? Okay, so the devil in reverse, pwedeng Capricorn. What's with the devil in reverse? Okay, the two of cups in reverse. Simula nang ikaw ay sabihin nating alam mo, no, na mas magiging okay ka kapag nawala yung connection mo sa kanya. Yeah. Water sign, Capricorn. Yun ang nakukuha ko pagdating sa kanya. Okay? Some of you, you're in a, sabihin nating, puro sex lang. Oo. Sex-based connection. Relationship. Sex-based connection. Yeah. With this person. Okay? So, let's see, ano ba ang situation ninyo ng taong to? Gemini, anong sitwasyon nyo? Okay. The Hanged Man in reverse. So, open na open, no? Bawal mag-demand, yan. Bawal mangontrol, mga ganyan. The Hanged Man in reverse. And, yeah, the Ten of Cups in reverse. Oh, this is sad. This is so sad. Walang kakontentuhan pagdating sa sitwasyon. Yan ang aking nakuha. Wala akong makakuwang contentment. Walang genuine happiness. Kasi parang wala eh. Parang wala. Parang wala kayong relationship ng taong ito. Okay? Parang wala lang. No strings attached. Yan ang nakikita ko. I'm sorry. Pero, yeah. No strings attached. Okay, so, let's see. Ano ba talaga ang emosyon nito for you, Gemini? Emotion. So, we have here Capricorn, Pisces, and water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay? So, ano bang emosyon niya sa'yo? The Five of Cups in reversed. Some of them, kung meron ditong separation, they're trying to move on from you. Okay? Five of Cups in reversed. Yan, the Knight of Swords. Humahanap agad to. Ng kapalit mo, if ever. Pero kung nasa contact pa rin kayo ng taong to, tawag dyan? Meron pa rin kayong communication or connection still. Nandyan yung parang wala siyang pakialam. May kanya siyang, may sarili siyang, ang tawag dyan? May sarili siyang gawa. Parang ganon. No, oo. Like, hindi mo siya mapapakalman. Gagawin ko, gusto ko, bahala ka dyan, Gemini. Parang ganon. Okay? Some of you have trust issue na. Okay? Trust issue. Next action ng taong to towards you. Let's see. Next action. The Sun in reversed. Wala pa rin. Like, napakalabo. Tulad ng aking camera. So, oo. Ayan, the Sun in reverse, sabihin nating walang kalinawan. Next action ng taong to. Hindi ka bibigyang linaw. Yeah, and what? The Moon in reversed. The Sun and the Moon. This is hot and cold. Hot and cold. Pero there's a lot of manipulation here. A lot. The benefits. The SEX. Yun ang nakukuha ko rito, Gemini. Pero napaka-distant ng taong to pagdating sa'yo. Avoidant. Let's see. Ano emotion mo for them? Gusto ko lang i-check. Gemini. Ano ang emotion mo for them? The King of Coins. Some of you, you're just focused on your career, goals. Yeah, the King of Coins. Business. So, let's see. Yeah, the High Priestess in reversed. I think mas focus mo yung kung anong meron. Like, kung ating titimbangin, ito yung goals mo, yung mga kung anong gusto mo pagdating sa sarili mo, whatsoever. Pero ito yung emosyon mo. Ganyan. Mas matimbang. Or mas binibigyan mong focus yung career mo, kaperahan mo if ever. Kesa dito. Why? Kasi hindi ka na rin naman siguro makakita or makaramdam ng clarity or security or assurance dito. Okay? Yeah, see? The Four of Cups. Kesa naman tumunganga ka, kesa naman mag-isip ka ng mag-isip, ano kayang meron, wag na lang. Mag-focus na lang ako doon sa something na alam kong makapag-provide pa para sa akin. Parang ganon yung sa'yo, Gemini. Some of you, nagsasaman lang kayo nito para lang sa mga anak. Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. Outcome/advice for Gemini. Yeah, the Page of Wands in reversed. So, meron ditong mga issue na kailangan talagang ayusin para magkaroon ng improvement. The Page of Wands in reverse, this is siguro may mga nasa set aside dito, no, na kailangan talagang bigyang pansin. Kaso hindi na eh. Page of Wands in reverse, yeah, and the Ace of Wands in reverse. A lot of delays. This is on and off. Parang hindi na to mag-workout. Gemini, parang hindi na to nag-workout. Hindi pala parang, hindi na talaga nag-workout. Yeah. Okay. So, the Two of Coins in reverse. Ang naririnig ko rito, kung kaya mong i-drop to, i-drop mo eh. Yeah. Okay, at lalayuan mo na. Outcome nyo is patuloy ito. Kung meron kayong on and off, patuloy ito. So, simula lang lagi magiging okay. And then, after ilang araw or ilang buwan or weeks, balik ulit sa dati. Ganun na naman. Hot and cold. Yeah. Puro sex. Yes. Okay. So, yun. Ang aking nakikita. So, kung kailangan nyo ng aksyonan to, layuan, do it. Pero kung sa tingin ninyo, para sa mga anak namin, or okay lang naman, kahit ganito, di pagpatuloy nyo, no problem lang naman, no problem naman yun, no? Basta, kung saan kayo sa tingin ninyo, mas makakagalaw-galaw, o diba? So, tayo mag-proceed na sa all signs, Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries, no stability with an Aries. Short-term connection. Taurus, a lot of conflicts. Okay. Okay. Gemini, nandyan yung takot, nandyan yung mga kasinungalingan, nandyan yung lahat na ng sabihin nating hindi okay pagdating sa tao. Parang ganon. Lahat na. Okay. Cancer, time waster. Leo, okay, ma-ego, ma-pride. Yan. Some of them, kahit sabihin natin kailangan nilang gumawa ng action, inuuna pa rin yung pride, ego. Okay? Virgo, they like you. They want you. Pero nandun yung hot and cold pagdating kay Virgo. Libra, okay, so I think may emosyon sa'yo si Libra. Okay? Scorpio, they want to nurture the situation maybe. Sagittarius, okay, so may nasasayang with this Sagittarius. Some of them, they're not ready, no, na magkaroon ng offer ng cup of love. Yeah. Capricorn, okay, so si Capricorn, walang pagtatago from this Capricorn, and wala kang may tatago from this Capricorn. Parang ganyan. Pwedeng merong mabunyag. Aquarius, so some of them talagang tinatalikuran ka, hindi ka pinapansin, no contact for some of you. Some of them talagang may pagtatago. Okay, in general. Pisces, okay, so si Pisces, they want your attention. Okay, something like meron silang sabihin nating attracted, no? Attracted sa'yo itong Pisces na to. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.